Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, I've been craving for something sweet or some desserts, specifically Filipino desserts, and I've thought of making a Maja Blanca. With this, I'll share with you the recipe and the ingredients needed on how to make a easy Maja Blanca.
So we will be needing 2 packs of coconut milk, which is 200 ml each, 1 can of condensed, evap, but I'm gonna use only 3/4 cups of it, the kernel corn, 3/4 cups of cornstarch melted, and 3/4 cups of milk, and some grated coconut, and sugar. For sugar, I'm also will be using only 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, so let's start. We are dissolving the cornstarch with the milk. Pour the coconut milk and let it boil. Now it's boiling, we add the condensed, the 3/4 cups of sugar, and the kernel corn. Make sure you drain the corn first before putting it here. And just mix gradually until the sugar is diluted. Let it boil for 8 minutes. Let's grease some oil with our container. After 8 minutes, it's already boiling. And now we can put the cornstarch with milk. Allow to cook while stirring while it reaches the thickness that you want. It's now thicker. See? There. Just continue to stir it. Okay, it reached the desired thickness that I wanted it to be. Now, I just turned off the heat and it's ready to transfer. Okay, let's transfer it. Okay, as we transferred, just flatten it or even keep it like this. To flatten and be even. Then we let it cool and put on a refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. So after we finish this, now let's go on to the toppings, which is we're using the grated coconut. For the toasted grated coconut that we will be putting on top of our Maja Blanca, just heat the pan. Put a 1 cup of grated coconut. make sure to consistently cook it. And it's getting brown, so we just need to wait and cook until it's really toasted or enough to put as a toppings. There, it's getting darker or brownier.
And there you go, it's a success. So I'm just letting it cool and I'll try it later.